Are you a twin flame, but you're separated, or in another quantum relationship, really fabulous relationship, also separated, and you've tried all kinds of things and it doesn't work, and you're devastated on various levels, and it's really hard to go on with your life, or you've shut out some parts of this energy I don't want, and as a result of that, there's some parts of us that we can disconnect from. Like it's the connection is at the soul level, and if we really disconnect, then we can disconnect from a portion of our soul, our connection with the divine. So, and some people they've worked at cutting off and doing various things that are end up really being really damaging. So I get it. I've been in the helping field now for a while, for nearly 50 years. My name is Rami, and I'm a twin flame, and my true beloved Jill and I were my twin flames. Were together for 10 years, and she ended up getting really sick, and she's withdrawn from the world and try to heal through connecting with the divine. So I get it in terms of the suffering and feeling like there's a part of you missing and so on. So we have a free webinar coming up that you may be interested in. But let me talk about some of the issues that can really impact us. So partly for me and working with many people over the years with twin flames and traumatized people, advanced souls, etc. So one part is that really impacts us is our inner child freaking out, our inner child becoming depressed, our inner child giving up. I'm nothing without that true beloved over there, all the different flavors and more. So and the inner child stuff is the first year and a half of life especially, and also from uh, pregnancy. So the various things that's happened to many people in terms of the pregnancy wasn't wanted, mom was sick, parents separated, money difficulties, and etc. And the infant, the fetus, absorbs that at the cellular level. So you try to heal and heal the emotions and so forth. It's the wrong channel. You got to fix it at some other levels over there. So that's an example where it's really crucial to be really precise and really clear where are the difficulties, and so then you can zap and transform very quickly. It doesn't need to be forever. It's one example. Another example is a cellular level and DNA, so ancestral level. So the parts of me or my true beloved, twin flame or quantum relationship, where we have major difficulties that we chose to incarnate, where, for example, there was war and so on, major difficulties there. And so there's the trauma gets in the way of our being more fully who we are and being able to withstand the energies, like the energies that for twin flames is really powerful. And so if you have cracks and breaks and tears and real major gunk in various parts of your energy field, guess what's going to happen? As you come closer together, these things come up, and the other guy feels it, and they go, yikes. And then you can feel it, your own energy or the other guy's energy. And there's a part of you that may say, I really need my true beloved to be able to fix it. So we must get into union. I am nothing without this. There's all kinds of different flavors of this in terms of I'm okay, the other guy's not okay, or I'm not okay, the other guy's okay, and etc. And all of this relates to our connection with the divine as well. Parts of us can feel unworthy of sacred union with the divine. And of course, that totally impacts our connection with our twin flame or other quantum relationship. So this is damage at the soul level. So this past life. So you can think in terms of the soul itself has some layers of damage. So we can have some soul fragments that are gone. We can have some vows that block us from being more fully in sacred union with the divine, for example, or with our true beloved, and etc. So, and same with our beloved, right? So there's these different flavors that can impact us. And for most people, they try one or two or three things and they make no progress, and it's not enough. So the progress is in terms of within oneself becoming more and more and more fully using the suffering to transmute everything, to see more and more deeply. And so you become more and more fully a sacred being, a soul, and bigger than the soul. You become, you connect with your soul, with your twin at the energetic level, and you heal for you and for them and for your soul group members and what we call the monad and beyond that, the galactic level. So you become a bigger and bigger soul and you serve the world more and more profoundly from whatever level you're at this time. And then you keep growing. You see various imperfections that come up and you work at healing that more and more. So if you're interested in this broader perspective, you may want to consider doing some, taking our free webinar coming up, Multidimensional Transformation. We teach people how to heal and transmute all of those things. As I said, my name is Rami. I've been in the helping field for nearly 50 years now, certified as a trainer in couple and family therapy at the top of my field in terms of that. And all of that stuff, the relationship stuff and so forth, was just not enough, right? So I had to go more and more and more broadly. Oh, these things are, the various things are important from different places in terms of transmuting and so on. And there's some things that we can take action to increase the likelihood of getting what we want in life, of possibly connecting with our twin flame again, though there's no guarantee, and etc. So if you want more, hit the button below for the free webinar, Multidimensional Transformation. We'll see you there.